Welcome to the channel, where we explore the latest innovations, timeless classics, and practical solutions in the world of agriculture and farming. In today's video, we'll dive into the Case IH Farmall 2025, a compact and versatile tractor that has quickly become a favorite among farmers, landscapers, and property owners alike. The Farmall series has a long-standing reputation for reliability, and the 2025 model is no exception. This tractor is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks with ease, making it an ideal choice for small to medium-sized operations. The Case IH Farmall 2025 is equipped with a robust 25 horsepower engine that delivers dependable performance while maintaining fuel efficiency. Its compact design allows it to maneuver in tight spaces, which is particularly useful for tasks like mowing, tilling, and landscaping. Whether you're working on a small farm, maintaining a large property, or managing a landscaping business, the Farmall 2025 offers the perfect balance of power and agility to get the job done efficiently. One of the standout features of the Farmall 2025 is its ergonomic design, which ensures operator comfort during long hours of work. The spacious operator station is designed with intuitive controls that are easy to use, even for those who may not have extensive experience with tractors. The adjustable seat, clear visibility, and conveniently placed levers and pedals make operating this tractor a breeze. It's clear that Case IH prioritized user experience when designing this model, ensuring that productivity doesn't come at the cost of comfort. Another highlight of the Case IH Farmall 2025 is its versatility. It's compatible with a wide range of attachments and implements, such as loaders, backhoes, mowers, and tillers. This flexibility allows operators to tackle various tasks with a single machine, making it a cost-effective investment for any operation. Whether you're clearing land, planting crops, or maintaining a garden, the Farmall 2025 can adapt to your needs with minimal hassle. Durability is another key aspect of the Farmall 2025. Built with high-quality materials and a sturdy frame, this tractor is designed to withstand tough working conditions and deliver reliable performance for years to come. Its low maintenance requirements and easy access to service points ensure that downtime is kept to a minimum, allowing you to focus on what matters most: getting the job done. The Farmall 2025 also boasts advanced technology that enhances its efficiency and ease of use. Features like a hydrostatic transmission provide smooth and precise control, making it simple to adjust speed and direction as needed. Additionally, the tractor's fuel-efficient engine meets stringent emission standards, making it an environmentally friendly choice for modern farming and property management. In conclusion, the Case IH Farmall 2025 is a well-rounded tractor that combines power, comfort, and versatility in a compact package. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to invest in a reliable machine that can handle a variety of tasks with ease. If you're considering upgrading your equipment or adding a new tractor to your fleet, the Farmall 2025 is definitely worth a closer look. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you think about the Case IH Farmall 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.